Welcome to the future of sustainable mobility. Introducing Green, a platform based on federated learning, blockchain, and smart contracts. Developed by HE Iberia, Green is designed to securely apply artificial intelligence to Internet of Things data. Green is focused on optimizing the charging station for electric vehicles. The focus lies on improving the charging infrastructure to encourage the adoption of electric vehicles and mitigate pollution. Now, let's see how it works. Here we have a charging station. This station supplies power to electric vehicles and, at the same time, records the electricity consumption throughout the day. Through this data, the station can train its own local model to predict its future consumption. However, in a city, we face a dilemma. Each station has its own local model, but local data is not sufficient for accurate models. So, how do we solve this? The answer is collaboration. But there's a problem. Each station belongs to a different manager, and they don't want to share data. This is where Green comes in with its innovative technology. Green uses federated learning and blockchain to overcome this obstacle. Each station has its own local models. Thanks to the blockchain, we create a network to evaluate and vote the local models, ensuring we get the best possible results. Now, thanks to the federated learning, instead of sharing data, stations combine their local models to form a global model beneficial for all, and this global model is updated in each run. Additionally, this model is securely stored within the blockchain along with the smart contracts and other data. But what happens if a station tries to act maliciously in the network? It's time to dive into the training process and address all your questions. As we have already seen, the charging stations gather data on the energy demand from their customers. Each station uses this data to train and validate a local predictive model for its future energy demand. Once trained, each station shares its trained model with the rest of the network throughout peer to peer communication. The rest of the stations evaluate the quality of the received model with their own data. Throughout a consensus algorithm governed by the smart contract, all the nodes vote on whether to add this update to the global model. If the update is accepted, each node includes the model in its record. The locally validated models are federated to form a new, updated global model. On one hand, the local models, together with the updated global model and the smart contracts, are stored as data blocks. These blocks are permanently added to the blockchain ledger, becoming an immutable record. On the other hand, the updated global model is sent back to the charging stations after an evaluation regarding its implication in the network. Finally, the smart contract automatically executes, providing rewards or penalties to the stations that have sent the models. If their models are accepted, the station will receive better updates from the other nodes. If rejected, access to new updates will be blocked and a penalty will be imposed. Here you have the overview of the whole training process. This was just a quick overview of a fraction of green capabilities. Visit our website or contact us for more information.